Origins of Aryans and explore why they came to India. I am Muhammad Usman from Moonlight International Publication House, and thank you for joining me here. Today I will introduce who were the Aryans, where did they come from, and what actually forced them to invade India. यानी आर्यंस कौन थे, वो कहाँ से आए और किन मुहरकात ने उनको फोर्स किया कि they had to quit their native land and they decided to invade India or they decided to migrate to India. Dear student, there is one time regarding their arrival to India is about 1500 BCE. यानी कहा जाता है कि तकरीबन 1500 BCE के करीब वो हिंदुस्तान में उन्होंने रुख किया. दे वर वाइट रेस, ये इनका ताल्लुक वाइट रेस से था. ये खुद को सुपीरियर कहते थे. एज ए सुपीरियर दे कंसीडर्ड देमसेल्व्स एज द ट्रू रूलर्स ऑफ द लैंड ऑफ द हिंदुस्तान. इवन के जो ब्राह्मण हैं मॉडर्न टाइम में, उनका भी ये कहना है कि वो बाय ब्लड जो हैं, बाय रेस जो हैं, वो आर्यन हैं और एज ए आर्यन उनको ये राइट हासिल है कि वो हिंदुस्तान पे हुकूमत करें. Apart from this, they came up with their own language, their own tradition, their own religious beliefs when they came here in India. So now there are different opinions about the origins of their about the origins of the Aryans. One point of view is that they came from Central Asia. The second point of view is that they came from Serbia. Another point of view is that they came from Arctic region. So there are multiple opinions regarding the origins of the Aryans, but the most relevant and the most you can say reliable source tell us that they came from the Central Asia. Now the next part is why they came to India. If they were living in Central Asia, then what actually forced them to invade India? So there are different opinions. Like one of the important factor was the falling temperature, यानी टेम्परेचर का चेंज हो जाना. जैसा कि हम जानते हैं कि माजी के अंदर सिविलाइजेशंस के बनने में और सिविलाइजेशंस के डिक्लाइन होने में और इसके साथ साथ सोसाइटीज़ की मूविंग में फ्राम वन प्लेस टू अनदर प्लेस जो क्लाइमेट है उसका बड़ा अहम फैक्टर रहा. So this was another factor behind their arrival to India. The second factor was the natural disasters like famine, like droughts, like floods. They also played a very significant role in the making of their mind to invade India. The third is that they were, can say, looking for a place where they can have all the facilities of life. And India at that time was one of those places which they can use for everything. तो तीसरा जो फैक्टर हमें जो नज़र आता है वो ये है कि उन्हें एक ऐसी लैंड की ज़रूरत थी जो कि फर्टाइल हो, जहाँ पे हर तरह की फैसिलिटीज़ हों. तो इस तरह की लैंड के लिए भी वो यहाँ पे आए. तो ये थर्ड फैक्टर हमें नज़र आता है. जो फोर्थ लेवल पे फैक्टर नज़र आता है वो ये है कि दे वर नोमैडिक पीपल एंड एज इट इज़ द हैबिट, इट इज़ द you can say the sign of the nomadic people that they don't make their permanent houses. They don't settle permanently in anywhere. They frequently move from one place to another place. Sometimes they migrate for the purpose of climate. Sometimes they migrate for the purpose of fertile land. Sometimes they migrate due to the foreign threats. So they were basically nomadic people, and they did not have the permanent settlements in Central Asia. But when they came into India, they put themselves here in terms of permanency. यानी यहाँ पे उन्होंने खुद को पुट किया यहाँ पे एज ए परमानेंट के तौर पे उन्होंने यहाँ पे अपनी सेटलमेंट्स जो हैं वो करनी स्टार्ट कर. एट द लास्ट पॉइंट दैट मेड देम convincing to invade India, to enter India, to migrate India was the Khyber Pass. If we look at the geography, we will find that the Khyber Pass was strategically very important. And it was not only important, but it was important in a way that it provided gateway to India. यानी जो खैबर पास है उसका बड़ा रोल नज़र आता है. So basically these were the Aryans. They came from Central Asians and there were multiple factors which forced them to invade India. So with this, we can conclude this topic, and we hope to see you again with a new topic of history. Thank you.